Hello and welcome to E Prime. I'm Crystal. A 40-track compilation, Reggae Crooner Bugle, has spontaneously released the compilation, which includes singles Boombox, Cherish Life, Real Survivor, and Live, Love, Laugh, the latter featuring Popcorn, which currently enjoys major rotation on the local and international airwaves. The project, of course titled Spontaneous, spans both reggae and dancehall genres. The mixtape derived from Bugle's desire to give back to his fans. Spontaneous was released on the weekend and is available on all major social media platforms. Etana is to be honored in the US. The Reggae Songstress is to receive the Excellence in the Arts Award at the 24th Annual Caribbean American Heritage Awards, CARA, in Washington, D.C. this Friday. The award is in honor of the impact of her music on the reggae scene, both in the United States and across global markets. Etana has used her voice to highlight myriad social issues in Jamaica and is seen as an advocate for children, also shown through her philanthropic endeavors throughout Africa. The CARA Awards seek to highlight the contributions that Caribbean immigrants make to the US, and periodically they honor friends of the Caribbean whose work contributes to the well-being of the region. Love and hip-hop star vacationing in Jamaica. Actress and rapper Tommy Lee from the Love and Hip Hop series is vacationing at the Half Moon Luxury Resort in Montego Bay. The actress has uploaded a slew of photos and videos to her social media accounts. Tommy Lee shot to instant fame after making her appearance on VH1's Love and Hip Hop Atlanta Season 6. And on the international scene, Cardi B is making Billboard chart history. But let's give you some background first. The former reality TV star turned rapper is one of only 6 artists to have 3 simultaneous top 10s on the Billboard. She shares this distinguished category with Beyonce, Rihanna, Nicki Minaj, Iggy Azalea, and Ashanti. So how is she creating history? These are her first 3 tracks, which means she hit the mark every time she dropped a new song. Her R&B hip-hop Billboard entries making the top 10 are Bodak Yellow, The Migos and Nicki Minaj assisted Motorsport in number 6, and G-Eazy's No Limit, which features Cardi B and A$AP Rocky at number 10. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.